Oh, I can finally just relax.
Did you get your Christmas shopping done?
No!
This is Boss Lady of Benjamin Franklin Plumbing. Don't forget to do your Christmas shopping.